Product review number 1.
Hamilton Beach 10 Cup Food Processor. This Hamilton Beach 10 Cup Food Processor is a very good choice. It can easily process small and larger food items from garlic to pieces of chicken. It has a strong 450-watt motor and a 10-cup capacity, and it is also very fast. So whether you are chopping, grating, or pureeing, all the hard work of food preparation can be done in a few seconds. You do not have to waste time pre-cutting large vegetables or cheese, as the processor has a large feeding chute that can fit a 2-pound block of cheese. Hamilton Beach has designed a compact food processor, so it is a great space-saving option for your kitchen's countertop. Its powerful performance will have you cooking all of your favorite dishes quickly. Pros: good quality, great price, 10-cup capacity, powerful, easy to use, compact, large feed chute, built-in scraper attachment, large mixing bowl, 2 blades, dishwasher safe. Cons: not ideal for heavy-duty processing. Cannot knead bread dough.
Product review number 2.
Cuisinart DFP14 BCNY 14 Cup Food Processor. Cuisinart has been making high-quality kitchen appliances since 1973, and their dedication to the art of great cooking is encapsulated in this powerful food processor that delivers a superior food processing performance. If you have a large family or love to host dinner parties, the Cuisinart DFP14 BCNY 14 Cup Food Processor is the perfect choice for you. The processor has a 14-cup capacity and also a powerful 720-watt motor that will help you prepare all of your favorite dishes in just a few seconds. You will wonder how you ever cooked without it. Whether you are preparing a pizza, chopping up vegetables for a soup, or whipping up a scrumptious dessert, the Cuisinart processor can shred, chop, slice, and puree even the densest and thickest of food items effortlessly and efficiently.
Product review number 3.
Breville BFP 800XL Sous Chef Food Processor. The Breville BFP 800XL Sous Chef Food Processor is one of the most expensive processors on the market. However, with an incredibly powerful 1,200-watt motor, sturdy construction, and an ability to process almost any kind of food super fast, it is worth the extra dollars. Breville has designed this processor with a host of features that will make cooking your favorite meal so easy. The processor is sturdy with a die-cast metal base and silicone seals to reduce leakage when processing liquids. The Breville food processor's motor is covered by a 25-year guarantee, but there is only a 1-year limited warranty on other parts. Pros: very powerful, sturdy and durable, heavy duty, super fast, extra wide feed chute, performs well on all types of foods, very quiet, large amount of attachments, 2 bowls, all blades and discs included, no extras to buy. Replacements parts are affordable. Very good customer service. Cuz expensive, heavy and bulky, can overprocess food. Metal tips on blades can get very warm. Limited dishwasher ability. 1-year limited warranty.
Product review number 4.
Braun FP 3000 2012 Cup Food Processor. Cooking will become an absolute delight with this ultra-quiet yet powerful Braun FP 3000 2012 Cup Food Processor that has been intuitively designed by Braun. Its multifunctional design features a wide feed chute, 7 different attachment blades that allow you to chop, slice, knead, whip, whisk and also shred all types of food. It also has a juicer attachment, so you can make all of your favorite juices and maybe even learn some new healthy recipes. Braun also offers you a bonus mini work bowl, which is perfect for processing small amounts of sauces or nuts. Pros: very good value for money. High quality German engineering. Powerful. Ultra quiet. Multifunctional. 15 speeds. 7 attachments. Easy to use. Extra citrus juicer. Cons: dough attachment does not work very well. 1-year warranty. Check the price on Amazon.
Product review number 5.
Link Chef Mini Food Chopper. It might be small, But the powerful LingChef Mini Food Chopper is designed to chop, blend, puree, mince, and also shred a variety of ingredients quickly. This super mini food processor is a great choice for singles or for couples who want to simplify their food preparation and cooking. With 250 watts of power and stay sharp 4x-level blades that are made from strong food-grade stainless steel, the processor delivers an excellent performance. A great space saver, the LingChef food processor has a compact design and can easily fit on your kitchen benchtop. LingChef offers a 3-year warranty, and they have excellent customer service. The processor also comes with a manual. Pros: ideal for 1 or 2 people. Great price. Excellent food processor. Lots of power. Great quality. Can perform a wide range of functions. Super sharp blades. Compact. Very easy to use and clean. Cons: not ideal for heavy-duty food preparation. Motor can get very hot quickly.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.